Hello, we're here at SLE Equipment, located here in Nashville, Tennessee. Here at SLE Equipment, we sell lawn equipment. Those items include zero-turn mowers, garden tractors, utility trailers, dump trailers, and more. To visit those items, please click on the link below, or you can visit our website at sleequipment.com. So today we're going to look at the Husqvarna Model 325L string trimmer. This string trimmer replaced the previous model, which was the 322L. This is a full commercial string trimmer. So it comes with the T235 power head, as we can see located here at the front. Again, this is a straight shaft string trimmer, so it makes it real easy to reach under any trees. Also, this unit comes with a deflector, as you can see here, and this deflector is great for keeping the string from getting too long, and also to help you keep any debris from popping up on your legs while you're doing the trimming. So it comes with the plastic handle, as you can see located here. On and off switch is located here as well. Also, you have your throttle. Also, the choke for this unit is the blue switch here, and it activates by pushing that up. Once the unit cranks, you push it back down. Also, your spark plug is located here. Also, your primer bulb is located there as well. Also, here on the side is your air filter. Again, this is a 2-cycle unit, so this is your gas as well. This is 50-to-1 ratio, the gas and oil mix. And also your recoil switch located here also. Again, this unit is very lightweight, weighs only 11 pounds, so it's very lightweight, easy to maneuver. And again, with any purchase, it comes with a mix, comes with a Husqvarna mix that comes with the package, as well as a tool to help change the power heads. So again, this is the Husqvarna Model 325L string trimmer. If you have any further questions, please give us a call at 615-641-7720, or you can reach us on our website at sleequipment.com.